the rename here whatever the actions we have done. So generally there is no need to create anything action. So whenever if you do import or export whatever, so then one action will get created in our Anaplan. So for that one we should give proper name, that's it. So when in which scenario we have done that one, so that for that one we should give one name. So we can see here, rename the actions. We need to start this one. How we need to rename the actions we can see here. Are you able to see my screen? Rename actions and create process. So what is action and what is process means? So in actions generally whatever the import and export we do, that basically comes under the actions. And what is process means, if you have like 4 or 5 actions like G1 region importing data, G2 country importing data, so 4 or 5 actions we have serial. So in that scenario what happened, so if we want action sequence, so like 4 or 5 actions we have, these 5 actions I can keep in my one process and I can run. How it is happened means, you can see any one action we can see here. So load products or something, we can take any one. So in this any one process what happened, we can keep so many actions like this. So if you keep so many actions, G1 region, G2 country, whatever it, so if you keep this one, what happened if I run this one once, if I run this one, that 5 actions will get run at a time. So that is the advantage. If I want to run these actions individually, what happened, I need to run this first G1 region, G2 country, one by one I need to run. Yes,
it takes time. One by one.
come again.
When we run it one by one, it will consume time.
Yes, it consumes the time, and it is a
5 steps running.
That is not best practice. So that is the reason, if we want to run multiple actions at a time, so then what will you do, we keep in one process and we run that process, then automatically that 4 or 5 actions will get run. So that is the one advantage. And another advantage we have in this process, if I have these 2 actions, T1 1.1 build family and T1.2 build product. So if we include some actions in the process, 1.1 build family something, this one only we have here in this process. If I include once any action in the process, if I try to delete this action, it will not get delete. If I try to delete this one, it will show error. T1 build product family cannot be deleted because it is referenced by the process T1 build product hierarchies. So if you add any actions to the process, even we can't delete accidentally as well. So that is the reason it increases safety for our action. So unfortunately if you delete any action, so that will not happen if you once include these actions in the process. So these are the different advantages we have. So that is the advantages we have. So how we need, like in our UX pages we have 7 cards in learning center generally, but in real time we have 8 cards. So in 13th lesson level 1 we can see there in how we configure each and every card. Everyone should go through that all cards. Text card, like we have insert text card, grid card and map card, chart card. We have used 3-4 types of cards, we didn't use other cards. So we should how we need to use that cards in that theory part we have. So like we can go through that one. So same procedure will have, somewhat different will be there for a few actions. So we need to understand 8 cards explanation we have. So for example, if I want to publish this action in the UX pages, in generally what should we do, same procedure how we drag and drop our chart card and every card, we should do same thing. But here we don't have in trial version that action card. That is the reason what should I do, I can publish this one into our classic dashboard. What is classic dashboard means, I will show this one. Publish to dashboard, new dashboard. I don't have any dashboard here. I should create. This is new dashboard. So you can see load size slot. This action I am keeping here. So what should I do? Simply save and exit here. The action will looks like this. In UX pages also it will looks like this. So we should, if you run this one, what happened? It will show choose file size to upload the size plot list, which file we have earlier we have taken. So thus that file template will provide to the end user. Template means data will not be there, only template will be there. In that template what happened, they will download that template, like you will give form to them, end users. So up size plot we have few list items, but if they want to upload new size plot and something extra list item if they want add, so the data will upload that form. Template nothing but empty form will provide. That one they will choose whatever the updated one. So by choosing this one, they can update the same action, they can run. They don't do any mapping and they don't do anything, end users. Simply they will run, click on this action and select file, updated data, updated file they will select and they will run this action. So that what happened, same action whatever we have done here, size plot, so same updated file, updated data will get in the our Anaplan model. So that is the procedure. So for each and every action, they don't know mapping and everything. Already whatever the mapping we have done, mapping will be there perfectly. Just we need to provide whatever the Excel file we are using here. That Excel file empty form we should provide to them. So by using that one, updated data they will upload in that file and they will choose while running each and every action. This is a procedure. Is it clear how they will do this same thing again and again? Yes.
They create the action,
Yes, we
they
will.
create the one action. So if you need required, whenever you want to require to run that action automatically. So what are the new changes is there in source file. So you
Yes.
can change the source file and you can run and again. So
Yes.
you need not to map the mapping and all the things you need not to require. So just you can run and automatically data loading or whatever you need.
Yes, correct. The thing is, you need to correct one thing. We don't create any action. Whenever if you do the import and everything, action automatically will get create here. So automatically we didn't create anything here. We have uploaded file whatever size plot, product family plot. While uploading that file, that action will get create here. So this again, if they want repeatedly, they want uploaded file, updated data they want to upload. In that scenario, these actions will they run and they give updated file. So this is the way we do here. So we'll start updating the actions here. First of all, we can see.
Ashik bhai, I have one question. So actions,
Yes.
by using action, we can load the data.
Till now, that only I told now. By using the
Okay.
action only, we upload the data. We load
Okay.
means uploading the new file. That's it. That is loading the data only.
Okay. And
Only the
metadata
users
also.
will update the template, whatever we provided, then we'll upload it. Either imports or something like
Yes, we can upload the data by using the action. So I hope everyone is clear. So we can see here how we need to do rename here. You have completed steps here. So actions are catalog to import and export or delete function performed in the model. In this case, you you just completed 3 imports, G1, G2, G3 list we have done yesterday. The process is organized set of the action. So in the process nothing but it is a organized set of the action. Process are created so that actions are performed the same way each time and grouping the actions in the correct order of operations is very important. So first we need to import G1 region, then G2 country, then G3 location. So if you keep in actions G3 location first without parent, is it possible? Can we import without parent
No,
G3
no,
locations?
no, no, no.
Not possible. So first we should import the G1 region. So G1 region first, G2 country, and then finally G3 location. So in this way we should keep the process. We should insert the actions under the process. So in the data hub model, view the actions. Remember the model already has process. It has process already T1 and T2. So T1 nothing but write hierarchies. T1 nothing but write hierarchies. So you can see here whatever the actions we have used, rename the actions. So which one we have G1 region from level 2 data hub. So the action which is used to import the data into G1 region list, that one we should give as a T3.1 build region. So this one we should give here.
So this is only for importing data because earlier also we performed one step before importing, right? Given
Yes.
region creation, list creation, that we don't consider.
Come again.
Hello.
Yes, come again.
No. See, this is specifically naming for imports only because before we import, we created the list item, G1 region. For that,
Yes.
we need not rename it, that action. Not able to hear.
Come again. Sorry.
No, if before importing, we created G1 list item, G1 region list item,
Yes,
general list.
we have create. Yes. Then
So that will not come under action, only
no, that
in
will
terms
not.
of renaming purpose.
Yes, sir. If you want, if you import, then only it will get. So you can
Oh,
see.
only imports. Okay.
Yes, sir. Import. If you import the data, then only you can see here. So you can see here G1 region.
Okay.
Which one we have used? We should check here. Which action we have used to import the G1 region hierarchy. So which one we have used here? You can see G1 region from ASIF data hub model.
Build.
This is
build.
the action. So
Okay.
we can see here. So for this one, which
Right.
name we should give? Simply whatever they are suggesting,
3.1 build,
we
build
should be
region
very
under.
careful here. So which one we should give, where should we give, each and everything we should be clear here. So T3.1 build region we should give here for G1 region, import into G1 region. So you can see date and everything we can see here. So import into G1 region. Here you can see region plot, country plot, location plot. These are the plot list. These are the G1, G2 nothing but these are the hierarchy list. So that is the reason you can see T nothing but trait hierarchy.
Okay.
Trait
Hierarchies,
hierarchy.
yeah.
Here also you can see T nothing but trait hierarchy nothing but these are the
That we
hierarchy
created
list,
here.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nothing but flat list. So whatever we have created. So we have basically two types of list here. So that under the tri-hit hierarchy nothing but these are the composite list or hierarchy list. So region or flat list, these list comes under the flat list. So now we are doing here only for the tri-hit hierarchy. So for this one we are renaming first,
Right.
then
Right.
one by one we'll do other renaming as well. So you can see here which activity we are doing. Rename actions 1.3.14 we are doing here for G2 country from level 2 data hub, whatever the action we have used to import the G2 country. So G2 country we can see here, for G2 country whichever the action we got, you can see import into G2 country. For this one which name we should give here?
T2. T
T3.1,
3.2.
we need to understand very carefully here. T3.2 build country. So we should give this name. And what is our next action? G3 location from level 2 data hub, our name. So we should give for this one third
3.3 build
action name.
location.
So we should give T3.3 build location. Even we can see here name as well. Build region, build country, build location. This name also we should create proper naming convention. So then what happened? Easily you can identify. Otherwise you will get confused. Why we are writing here T3.1 build region means we have used it for the this list action further to build the region, to import data into region. So why we are using this one? This is a T3.3 build location. Why we are used this location? We have used this for the to import data into G3 location. So that is the reason. So each and everything we should be understand very clearly. We should check this one. Without watching this one, we didn't get anything. So we need to understand what is the action, for which purpose we have used this action. Description we have here clearly. So by understanding this table, middle table, we should rename each and every action. So that easily you can understand. Is it clear for everyone how we are doing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Faiz, are you there? Sudhir, what happened? This did you call to Arshad Ahmad, Faiz, Suresh?
No, regarding class Asif bhai, or
Yes, sir, this
about
class
the
only I
thing which we
asked.
spoke.
This class only I have asked him to call you and Arshad Ahmad, all these guys.
Okay, I'm calling Arshad bhai now. Asif bhai.
Initially I told this Sudhir, so that is the reason I am asking. So anyway, you can also call. If they don't show interest, Faiz, this is my problem. Is it clear? Whenever if we give any instruction, they should follow Faiz. Otherwise, we will not get concentrate to put extra time for different purposes. So anyway, try to call them, Faiz. So we have completed renaming of these actions. So note that current action names will be reflect the name you have given your copy of the data hub. So already we have written each and everything, renamed that one. The new action names designate process T3 and order of 1, 2, 3 in the process. So then what should we do? We can see here 1 nothing but you can see region, 2 nothing but country, 3 nothing but location. So the thing is we need to create one new process here. So this is a new process we need to create. T3 build geographic hierarchies. You can see this one. We need to add one process. So to include this all actions.
Okay.
So we don't have T3 here, only up to T1, T2 we have. So for that one we need to create one new process. How we can create the new process? We should click on actions and new. Then you can see click on process. Then we should give T3 build geographic hierarchies. Then if you want starting or ending, I want ending this one T3. So that is the reason I am clicking ending. So most of the interviews they will ask in actions generally what type of actions we have. One import we have, export actions we have, and other than this one, if you click this one, you can see process, delete from list using selection. So order list, open dashboard, create, so delete branch. These are the different actions we have. So these also we need to try to understand and we should try to remember all these things. So it will be different actions we have here. So we need to understand this one how we are using. So we use each and everything one by one. So we need to understand this one. and even we should remember for the interview point of view. So these are the different actions we have. So here we have included here like we have created this process here. Under this process, what should we do? So under this
Can
process,
assign.
we need to include these actions.
Okay,
So
assign the.
how we need to include these actions means, once if I select this one, I need to click on edit, then I need to select this one. Whatever the actions I want to select, I can select here, then I should click on OK. So after clicking on OK, then I need to run this process. So 3 actions at a time it will get run. You can see here. So what happened, each and everything, 3 actions we have run here. So whenever if they want again run this action, so if they click this one, so easily they can do whatever the thing we have done earlier. So same thing they can do repeatedly, they can do here. So they will get in updated data, they will get if they run this actions and process repeatedly. So new data, updated data they will get into in Anaplan models. So this is the procedure, how we will add and how we'll run this action. And if I publish this process instead of that action, same thing happened. You can see I can publish already. So we can simply save here. So whenever they run this action or process, 3 actions they can see. So easily, why it is not asking the file now? Yes,
There is no change in the old file and the new one, the same
no.
thing. We did not import that.
What I told you earlier, earlier whatever the process action you do, same thing it will get repeat. So to import G1 data, G1 region, G2 country, G3 location, did we use any file here in this actions and process? From where we are getting the data?
No.
From where we are
Already it
getting
is
data?
getting
This one.
loaded.
So this
The
G1
G1,
region
G2,
data is
G3
loaded from
already
some
loaded.
other saved view.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Yes.
already we have that saved view. So from that saved view only we are getting the data. That's it. There is no need. If you earlier, I have imported data this one from Excel. So how we can see this one means, you can click on sources here. If I click on import here, I can see the sources, actions import. So whatever the actions I have imported from this one .csv file. So but if I come here, T1.3 build region, from where I am importing the data?
Saved view, from saved
From
view.
saved view. Build region, system05 region detail, build region, saved view. So that is the reason you can see source type, source object. So everything we can see here. So in this way we should understand how it is happening and why it is happening. So this is the way first activity we have completed here. So then we have, this is the first activity. The second activity you don't have as a activity here, but this is a very, everyone will forget this one. So create load geographic process. So this is a very important thing. Everyone, we can't see any activity name here, but we have activity this one. This is an only different one. So you didn't find anywhere like this. You can see this is an activity, but they didn't given as an activity. So you can see here, rename the actions we need to do here. Now create one more process using the action generated from the importing data file into plot list. So we need to do rename here. Rename the actions used to load the data into geographic plot list. Whatever we have done just now, totally for hierarchical list we have done. So now we need to check the plot list. So the actions will be part of the process named file load geographies. So rename them accordingly using the best practice naming convention for the actions. So we need to create basically first of all file load geographic process. Process name we have here. We need to create here. Create one process. If I want to create process, I should click on here new actions. Then I need to give process. So starting itself I am giving, so that later I will rename reorder my process. So after doing this one, creating the process, I need to include the actions in that process. Add the actions used to load the data into geographic plot list and detailed system module. So what should we do? So whatever the actions you have, after you create the file load geographic process, the action should include and be sequenced like this example. So we should keep region plot, country plot, location plot, load country details, load location details. We need to include under the file load geographies. So we need to check here first of all, where do we have region plot, country plot, where do we have? You can see here, import into region plot, import into country plot, import into location plot, import into country details, import into system 07 location details. Is it clear, or is there anything confusion here?
This is clear.
Clear.
Everything is, we need to check here first of all this description, then only you can understand. If you watch here region platform region, you will not get generally country platform countries.csv. So we can't understand if you watch here. So if you watch here description, you can easily understand from where we are importing and what we are importing, everything we can easily understand. So first one we should give first name. So whatever the name we have, first of all I want to check here what are the different names we have. We need to add 5.1 load region plot. I need to give for the first one. For region plot I need to give first name. Why I am giving 5.1 load region plot means I have created process file load geography something. So that is the to include these actions in that process. What I am doing to identify easily, the naming convention should be proper. So 5, according to 5 only we should give. File load geographic process means we should give 5.1 2 3 4 5. So we, if you give the same name sequence wise, we can include under the file load geographies. So that will be easy for everyone. So easily we can understand, and that will not be complicated. So we should give country plot. For country plot we should give 5.2 country name. So load country plot, we are using this action to load the country plot. So 5.3 we can give for the location plot. So 5.4 load country details. Load country details we should give. 5.5 load location details. So we can see here all the actions we have added here. So these all actions we have renamed here, not added, sorry. We need to add, we have renamed here, and we need to add these all actions into our process. So
Process.
what is our process? File load geographies. So under this
Fine.
process I need to include all
First one,
these
yeah. All these
processes:
five actions, right?
region plot, country plot,
Actions.
location plot, country details, load location details. So we need to give add these actions. So after adding this one we need to run this one. Yes, so we have run this one. So we have completed this one. So first action, first, this is a, we can see in sprint 1 we have 4 user stories. So what is user story 1 means here? You can see we have first one, we have completed the user story 1. So what is user story? We can see here we have some user story requirement. We have user story nothing but end user requirement. So what is user requirement in sprint user story 1 in sprint 1 means, as a model builder I need one central location where I can update and import the Unicorn Candy company's region, country, location, hierarchy, detail data. In user story 1, what will we do? We import, we have done whatever the thing so far, only geographic hierarchy, region, country, location detail we have done, either region plot, either region g1 region hierarchy list, whatever we have done in system module, build region, build country, build location, saved view, everything we have completed so far, only g1 hierarchy details. So regarding g1 hierarchy details you can see same thing. I need this because it is time consuming and there is higher risk of error or omission if I must make updates in more than one location. If I have all these details at one place, that will be easy for me. So otherwise what happens simply, so it will be difficult for me. It is lot of error prone means, if you take data from different areas, what happened, it may be chance to get error. So that is it takes more time. So because of all these reasons, what will you do? So we keep we store data in our data hub at one central location, in our proper format. So then what will you do? From after storing data into this data hub, will import into our spoke model. Spoke means target model. So either it is financial planning model or either it is supply chain model, whatever wherever we require we can import this data. So this is the procedure. So we are first of all storing the data into data hub. In after completing this sprint 1, we'll start our supply chain model. From data hub to we import into our supply chain model. So this is the procedure we follow here. So next, this is the user story 1. So what is user story 2? In user story 2, what we do, we import data regarding product hierarchy. So first one is geo hierarchy details, and second one you can see the second user story for sprint 1 is very similar to the first, only with the different hierarchy. You will complete here model building activities in same order. Product hierarchy includes the product family, product and SKU details. We'll discuss here the product here. So regarding product hierarchy, we create the list and we import the data into product list, product family list, P2 product list, and P3 SKU list. So we do regarding product hierarchy here. So same procedure we should follow. Review existing data hub model. Let us review what already exists in the data hub model. Open the actions for the data hub model. You should see two process already created for the product hierarchy details. So we can see here regarding product hierarchy, already we have two T1 build product hierarchies, T2 build employee hierarchies. So already we have this one, this hierarchy list we have created, two process we have created here. Already we can see one is, you can see, you should see two process already get created, product hierarchy and details. So we can see these in actions pane. So load products. So what is one load products we have created, and T1 build product hierarchy we have created here. Already it is there, we didn't create anything. So they are existing in our model itself. One load products and T1 build product hierarchies. So we can see here one load products, and second one is the T1 build product hierarchies. Just now what we have done, whatever we have created, we have inserted hierarchy details T3 build geographic hierarchies, and flat list whatever we have imported, that we inserted in 5 load geographies flat list. So same procedure, product flat we insert into one load product, and product hierarchy details will add into T1 build product hierarchies. So these are the two product process we have here, product hierarchy related process we have. So we'll do here, we'll check each and everything here, how we are going to do here. So what is the next activity we have? We should check all these things. 1.1 load size flat. So under the one load product we have these actions, already they are existing here. 1.1 load flat size flat, 1.2 load product family flat. So we can see, if we open that one, we can see here. If I open one load products, I can see few, these are the existing process and actions. You can see here, already these actions are there here. So in that process, but we need to redo all these things. We should not use this one. So if I try to create with same name, 1.1 you can see load products we have. So if I create same name 1.1, whatever the 1.1, if this one, if I try to create with same name, can we create anything, list or module or anything? Is it possible with same
No,
name?
no, no.
Not
No,
possible.
no.
We can't do anything. Even if I want to delete these things as well, I can't do here. You can see size flat, all these things I need to redo all these things. So you can see whatever the things if we do here, you can see the dates, region flat, and whatever we have done, geographic details we have done. We have even we had here dates, but here do we have any dates? We don't have. These are the existing one, we need to redo all these things. Load region flat we need to do, everything we need to do, then only we can run this process. Otherwise we can't do this one, we can't use this existing actions. If I run this one load product, what happened, you can see here how it will show. So uploaded file no longer available, please upload the file again. It will show like this. So that is the reason we need to upload the each and every file now. So we can't run this one. So what is the activity we need to do? Just we need to check this one. Under this one load product, we have these 4 actions. We need to create these 4 actions once again. So we need to do the import, nothing but creation of action, nothing but we need to do the import into size flat, and we need to import into product family flat. We need to import into product flat. So product details, we need to do all these things, so that we will get some actions here. So that actions we need to rename, and we need to insert into these processes whatever they are showing. So
Okay.
this one also we have under this T1 build product hierarchies, we have this 2 hierarchies here. So here we can see T1.1 build hierarchies, we have 2 actions. So you can see here these actions we have. So first of all we need to, if we want delete anything, we need to remove from the process, otherwise we can't delete anything. For this one also we need to remove from this actions. This every actions we need to remove from the process, then only if I want to delete, I can delete. So but basically we should not delete first initially. Why means, by watching this one we can do one by one. Why should we delete initially? So later, after importing size plot, product family plot, every action will do next step, that one. After importing each and everything, we can get idea and we can delete all these things once if I import all these actions whatever we want. So we can see here, so these are the actions we need here. So import data into plot list, we need to do. So SKU import data into plot list. So if you do all these things, again we'll get the same actions. So same procedure, import data into SKU plot. So first of all we need to download this file, import data into SKU plot list in data hub model. Remember, this is plot list, only include the item name and code. There should not be parent assigned. For plot list, generally we should not assign the parent. So open our SKU plot list. Then we should click on import, upload new file, SKU plot we can see here. Here we should keep admins only. So for SKU plot, which one should we select here? SKU distribution center product code. Which one we should select?
SKU.
SKU we should select, code we should select here for code. So
Yes.
here radio button we should click name or code. So as flat list, it doesn't consist any parent. We should not assign anything. We should leave empty. Yes. So SKU flat list we have completed here. We have imported SKU, nothing but so far what we have seen, only P1 product, P1 product family and P2 products. Under the P2 products we have different categories. Again, bottom level of product, this one, new job or en. Under the new job we have different products, new job or en, new job or fr. So these are the, for each and every product. P2 product, generally what we have, new job bar, raising bar, cookie crumbs we have. But under the SKU flat, nothing but you can see different products we have under the new job bar. So these are the bottom level of product, we can say. SKU nothing but bottom level of product. So we have completed this one, import. We have imported data into SKU flat list. So then what is the next procedure? So you can see, create system module. We need to create some system modules here.
Asif, sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. I have a question here. We just completed our import, right? The naming action, can't we do it now itself?
Yes, you can see here, after completing, that is the thing you should do each and every time. So if you are excited to watch, you should 100%, you can see here, after doing each and every one, every import you can see here. So with time and everything you can see, 5th July 16.24 universal time. You should add 5 point hours. You should minus our time to 5 hours 30 minutes.
5.5, 5.5.
Yes, 5.5 hours you can see here. So in this way we can, each and everything you will get clearly here. So we can see here, next activity we have, like system modules we need to create. Whatever the procedure we have followed in our geo hierarchy, same procedure we should follow here. First, what should we do? Create some system modules here. System 012 SKU details module, and dimensions we should use SKU flat list. First of all, we should create here SKU flat list we should use. they didn't mention time as a dimension, so there is no need to keep time. So you can see
Hello.
yes, we can hear you.
So tomorrow, what is the class time? Anything is decided?
Yes, tomorrow our class time will be send message in every group 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Okay, okay.
9 a.m. to 11 a.m. we have tomorrow, and Sunday we have 8 a.m. to 10 a.m.
9 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's it, no?
Yes,
Okay.
and Sunday we have 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Send Srinivas send message in our June group, and Sudhir send message in our other group.
Okay, okay.
Sir, Saturday is 9 to 10 and
Sunday 8 to
Sunday is
10.
8 to 10. Okay.
Yes, Saturday 9 to 11, not 10.
9
9
to
to 11.
okay. 9 to 11.
Yes,
Okay.
Sunday we have 8 to 10.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we in this
So both
2
are
days we
morning only, AM only.
morning only. Both are morning only. Don't have any classes evening. So we should complete this sprint one within these 2 days. We have only few activities. So we can see here what we are trying to do. We are trying to create this SKU system module, and we need to create some line items. Code product. So for code, what is the format we should keep each and every time? Code should be text. Code of the line item should be each and every time. Which one? It should be text. For product, what is
List.
the we should keep? We can check product. We should check product flat. So for location distribution center, we should keep location flat. Product flat we should keep here. Distribution center we should keep location flat. So after completing this line items, so formatting this line item, so import data and add formula. We need to import data by using this one, this file. Import data by using SKU file. Import product and distribution center data into SKU details module. Add formula for the code line item. So we should not import data by using the import for this code. So how we can get the code? Files, can you explain how we will get code of this module? Here what should we do?
Write a formula.
Formula
You
is
need to write a formula code of
code of code of
SKU details, sir.
That's it. SKU, should I write SKU details?
Code of item of.
Code of item of, then which one I
From
should
where
select?
this
SKU
flat.
flat. Yes. So we should, if you write this formula, what happened? We should check this dimension. We should not get confused. We have already dimension, whatever the dimension we are taking here, that only you can keep. Other than if you keep any dimension, it will not accept. So simply it is completed. And for product and distribution center, we need to import data from downloaded file. Simply whatever the file just now we have downloaded, from that file we need to upload the data. SKU flood. Keep here admins only. You can see new job SKU flood. Where do I have new job or EN, new job or FR? Which column
Column
do
two.
I have?
Column two.
Column 2 I have
Second column.
the details. So other than that one, we have code, product, distribution center,
Column header.
product code. We have other
Column
than
header.
one
Column header.
column, so that is the reason column header we should keep. So after mapping as well, we should check each and every tab whether it is getting mapping or not. So here we are facing the problem. What is our problem? Here we have product, we have only product code and product here. That is the reason it is not mapping. Then we should select here. Then what happened? It will get mapped. So then you can import here, run import. So data is we got imported here. So you can see this blue color text nothing but this is the imported data. You can edit this one and you can do whatever we want. So and gray color text nothing but it is the data is formula based. We can't do edit here. We can't edit this one. So that is the difference between this gray color and blue color text. So this is activity. This activity as well we have completed. SKU details and create saved view for the import. We have here few saved views. We need to create in same whatever the module we have create. So in that module only we should create some saved views here. So open our SKU 12 module. Already it is open. Then we should click on save as, give name, build SKU, click on save. Then if I click here content, you can see under the system SKU 12 you can see our saved view system 12. Where is my system 12? I have here build SKU. So what should I do here? Include code and product. In this build SKU means I want SKU details, code and product only I want. I don't want other detail. So I don't want this distribution center details. That is the reason I should click this one and code and product and I should show selection. I should save the view. So it will get remain whatever the changes I have done. Otherwise what happened? So the changes will, you can see later 3 line items. Sudhir, you have asked this question earlier. If you do any changes, so what happened if you don't do save again? Whatever the changes you have done, so it will not get remain. So that is the reason you should save here.
Okay. No, it is actually not about the saved view. Normally, when we are changing the dimensions, no.
Dimension for anything.
Okay.
If you do pivot and everything, that also applicable for this one.
Everything we have to save.
Yes. If you pivot, then also we need to save. So you can see they are expecting this view. So if I change to this view, In the saved view, they are expecting this view. I should get line items here. I should get pivot SKUs here. If I don't save, what happened? Again it will goes to the default view. I need to save this view, whatever you have asked. If I apply the filter, conditional formatting, whatever if I apply, I need to do the save to remain that changes. So we have completed this view. Create import SKU detail saved view. We have another saved view here, another saved view we need to create. Import SKU
Asif bhai,
details. Yes. Tell me, Faiz.
Asif bhai, in the screenshot, Asif bhai, as in the given screenshot. So what does that box indicating, Asif bhai? Like the product was Nurjabar. In the Nurjabar, we have Nurjabar EN, and the code was P001 EN. That's what it is
Yes.
indicating, right, Asif bhai?
Correct, correct. This is the parent. Parent product nothing but new job or product nothing but this is a P2 product. SKU nothing but under the P2 product SKU. Inside the new job or in like P3 level this one.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So this code indicating for P3 SKU, Asif bhai.
Oh yes, P3 SKU only. For P2 product you have P001 something you have. That is the reason we are differentiating with the EN.
Okay, Asif bhai.
New job or EN you can see. New job or P001 then EN. Like this we are differentiating. So we can see here next another import SKU details. So this saved view I need to create import SKU details in same module. Go to our system tool module. We need to close this saved view. Then you will get the default view. Again you need to click on save as. Remove this one. Import SKU details. So what happened after creating the saved view? We need to open our saved view. We need to open our saved view, include code and distribution center. This time we don't want product. So make sure select show for code and distribution center line items and save the view. The saved view will be used for import distribution center into other models. So this saved view will use it later. So we need to first of all open our import SKU detail saved view. Here also you can see directly. If I click here, I can find my saved view. So what are the line items we need here this time? Code and distribution center I want here. So I need to click on this one. I need to click on show selection. So I want this view line items. Which one is looking easy and we can easy understand more?
This one only.
This one. That is the reason they are expecting. We should have common sense, like which if you show the data, which manner it will looks impressive. So we need to think and we should try to keep. So we can see here. They are guiding here. Basically we are new grammars, but whenever if you do real time, they will not give any steps to you should show in this way, you should show in this way. Why they are asking to show in this way means it looks impressive, that's it. So you can see in rows we have the data and some product details, in columns we have the line items. So this is the first thing. You can see here distribution center and code details you have. Same way we have completed our activity, distribution center and code details. So after completing each and everything, what should I do? I need to save the changes. So everything is, we need to compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it clear what we have done here? Yes.
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 Create saved view we have done. So this is the next activity, like import data into saved views from saved views. So we need to create some list here. Same procedure first of all we have created in geo hierarchy as well. List and saved view we have created, and from that saved view we have created the hierarchy. So hierarchical list, whatever G1, G2, G1, G2, G3, whatever we have created, same way we are creating P3 here. Why we are creating directly P3 means we have already P1, P2 in our general list. P1, P2 we have, we need to create the P3 here. So we need to create the P3 list, and here we need to assign as a P2 as a parent. So after assigning parent, we need to import the data now. How we will import? So whatever the saved view so far we have created, from that saved view we need to import data into P3 SKU list from the saved view. Which saved view we should use? Use build SKU saved view in system 012 SKU details module. Verify the source and target mapping before running the import. So we should follow same instructions. First of all, open P3 SKU. How can I import? Click on import. Then connect to Anaplan model, not Excel file. Saved view. Which saved view should I use? Build SKU or build SKU, import SKU details. Which one should I use? I should use build SKU. Here we have like distribution details we have. Already we have seen. Distribution center details. So what is our source? P3 SKU means SKU flat we should give. What is the parent we have? P2 product. Code anyway we have code. That's it. We should click here this radio button, name our code. Click on run import. Yes, it is completed. We can, if you want to compare the data, we can compare with our screenshot of learning center if we have. We can check here, do we have any screenshot? So we don't have any screenshot. P3 list, SKU list is a member of product hierarchy. Assign appropriate parent data. Yes, we have assigned and we have imported the data. Import from the saved view. So everything we have completed till this one. So we need to in next activity we need to do the rename. So what is the rename activity? So whatever we have seen earlier, 1.1 load size flat, this all list we need to do the rename. So rename whatever I have removed here, 1.1 size flat. In the actions I have removed this all the actions, 1.1 load size flat, all these actions you can see same actions, size flat. What are the things I have done here? Size flat I can see here, and SKU system 012 SKU details P3 SKU. So everything whatever I am doing according to their instructions. So what should we do? We need to rename here. So tomorrow we'll continue this one, renaming and actions and process. So this is a lengthy one. So anyway, we'll do tomorrow this renaming the actions. This one will do tomorrow. If you have any doubt you can ask here. So otherwise tomorrow we'll continue this topic. Morning 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. we have this class. Is it clear for everyone? How we are creating the saved views and how we are importing data from saved views to list? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So fine. Then try to complete all these
Asubhai,
activities. Yes,
Asubhai,
Faiz?
while importing, we give code only for number list only, right, Asubhai?
Yes, correct.
Other than number list, is there anything, Asubhai?